This is Jeff with the Malco Group, and today we're going to be doing a step-by-step install of the new Silent Plus Mini Orange. Let's get started. For this type of install, we've taken the cover off the mini split. This allows us to get easy access to the drain line. Next, we're going to be connecting to the drain line. We're going to need our inlet elbow, our straight connector, and our inlet tube. For the drain line, you're going to take your drain tubing and your reservoir, and you're going to dry fit it under the system, marking and cutting your tube so you know exactly where the reservoir needs to sit. I've cut the tube size and made the connection to the reservoir, securing each connection point with a zip tie. On the reservoir, we've installed our vent tube, and on the bottom, a sticky pad allowing us to secure it to the system. We're going to take our assembly, and while bending the elbow, run the line through the system, making your drain line connection and securing with a zip tie, and installing the reservoir, making sure it's nicely secured. Next, we will be undoing the reservoir wire and running it through the system to where the pump is. We've taken our vinyl tubing, installed it to the reservoir, making sure we've secured it with zip ties. This will also be run through the system and up to where we're mounting the pump. The new Silent Plus Mini Orange comes with an anti-vibration strap and washer that can be used to install it vertically on a stud or a wall, or horizontally on a base. Securely mount your pump using the anti-vibration strap, nice and tightly. We've taken our 1/4-inch vinyl tubing and connected it to the pump following the directions of the arrows. We've also connected the 1/4-inch vinyl tube from the outside to the pump, securing both with zip ties. We have our cable from our reservoir and our cable from our pump. We want to connect these. Now taking the plug and play wire from the pump and our plug and play wire coming from our mini split, making sure that they are aligning and connecting. Make sure to reference the manufacturer's install guide before wiring. The next generation pumps come with an internal 1 amp fuse. Refer to local electrical code to see if any additional fuses are needed. On this install, we have a white wire in terminal 1, a red wire in terminal 2, and a green wire in terminal 3. Take the gray and black wire from the pump and the white wire from terminal 1 and wire nut them together. Next, you will take the purple wire and replace it into terminal 1. Finally, we're going to take our red wire from the pump and attach it to terminal 2. Make sure to tuck the wires away and replace the faceplate. The last thing we're going to talk about is how to test your pump. First, you're going to want to turn on the power, and then using a spray bottle with some water, spray water into the drain pan, allowing the pump to cycle, ensuring that all your connections are secure and everything's running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to the Malco Group or your local rep.